Hello everyone. Now I'm going to discuss a clinical base question of hepatology. Well, the question is there are two heavy drinkers. They consume similar amount of alcohol. One rapidly develops cirrhosis while the other does not. This is largely due to which genetic susceptibility. Options are given. Four options are given. ALDH2 polymorphism, PNPL3 polymorphism, ADH1B polymorphism, and CYP2E polymorphism. I give you 20 seconds to read the question, read the option, and write down the answer in your copy. If you need more time, you can even stop the video, and after writing the answer in your copy, you can proceed further. Well, the answer of this question is PNPLA polymorphism, that is option B. So let's do the discussion. PNPLA3 is the most important genetic variant associated with alcoholic-related liver disease and fatty liver disease. I148M polymorphism in the PNPLA gene impairs normal lipid metabolism within the hepatocyte. The problem lies in the metabolism. As a result, triglycerides accumulate in the liver cells, promoting hepatic steatosis even when alcohol intake is similar between the two persons. Individuals carrying PNPLA risk allele are significantly likely to develop steatohepatitis, progressive fibrosis, cirrhosis, and hepatocellular carcinoma. This explains why two individuals consuming similar amount of alcohol may markedly different liver outcome. This highlights the role of genetic susceptibility. PNPLA polymorphism does not affect alcohol metabolism. Point to be noted. Instead, increases the liver vulnerability to alcohol-induced injury. Very, very important point. Of course, environmental factor, obesity, diabetes, metabolic syndrome, and continued alcoholic consumption further amplify the harmful effect. They're all additional add-on phenomena. So last minute revision point, PNPLA3, that is I4148M polymorphism, strongest genetic risk factor for alcohol-related liver fibrosis and cirrhosis. Well, friend, we always daily upload a clinical-based test. We are uploading nowadays every day at 9 p.m. on our app. Please download the Dr. Bhatia Academy app. Go to Smart Medicine section, go for tests. If you have any query, please contact my staff. Well, as you know, the current exam pattern is changed. Every exam is now clinical based. One-liner questions are gone. I have also uploaded a video in YouTube. How NEET PG and INI CT paper is set. If you have seen, fine. If you have not seen, you must see that video. That will really change your strategy to prepare any exam. Okay? It is in YouTube. If you have any query about this question or the topic or any other academic query, you can send your concern to my staff in the number given in the previous slide. My staff will forward your concern and question to me. I will reply, but don't forget to write your name and college name. I hope you like the video. Okay, thank you very much.